So now let's see how we can manage add-ons inside of Google Sheets. So if I were to go to add-ons, you can see that I got 2 add-ons installed already. So if you want to get more add-ons, then simply go to get more add-ons. But if you want to manage it, then you can go to manage add-ons right here. So once you go here, you can see that I got Lucid Chart and Table Styles installed. And if I want to remove it, I can simply go over here and then I can uninstall it. Or I can just disable this in the document. So if I were to do this, it won't be applied in this document right here. Or I can completely uninstall this app as well, just like that. And then what happens is that Lucid Chart gets uninstalled. So it's usual that it takes some time. And now what happens is that it is removed, and you can disable this in this particular document as well. So if I were to go to add-on, you don't see anything right here, and you can go to manage add-on over here, and you can enable this on this particular document as well, and you'll be able to use that out right there as well. And that is how you can manage out add-ons inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.